Welcome. In front of me I have the Echo Show 8 from Amazon, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So anyway, I'll just pop it open. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Have a little pull handle. Anyway, and here we also get paperwork. Anything else in here? Nope, just the cardboard. Okay. Here we get the charger with the nice. That's the cheapest design I have seen. You can see, at least for me, I have this adapter for Polish outlets, more like European, I think. But anyway, and then get the, there we go, device itself. Come on, there we go. So here it is. Now, first thing that already jumps out at me is this nice little switch for the camera, though it's obnoxiously white for some stupid reason, so they could have made it matching the bezel so you can't see it. This looks just annoying, and I'm pretty sure it's done for a purpose, so you don't have it open, or you don't have it closed, because obviously when it's open it just blends with the bezel a little bit better, but it just looks absolutely hideous, which like I said, I think it's purposefully. Next we have a couple buttons right here, and we do need to plug it in, so let's just grab the charger, and there we go. The cable is about meter and a half, something along those lines. Go, so it's plugged in, and we have the connector right at the back, right here, and it's booting up. Now I'm gonna quickly take a look at the specs right here. So okay, sound-wise, I don't know if that was very audible, but it seems to be clean. They didn't really put too much flair into like some, you know, bassy sounds or anything like that, so I have no clue how it sounds with other things, like other sounds in general. But anyway, let's see what they have to say about the device. So we have 8-inch touch display, no surprise there. Camera is a 13 megapixel.
Please select your device language.
Okay.
To hear the languages spoken out loud, swipe right or left anywhere.
Okay.
Para empezar, selecciona el idioma de tu dispositivo.
So,
Hello. Ready for setup.
can you stop
Would
talking?
you like to turn on vision accessibility features?
What I would like to do is not have you talk all the time. Okay. Please don't talk. Okay, there we go. So, the camera that I already blacked, just because I don't really trust Amazon with, camera on a product that basically sees your entire room. That's a 13 megapixel, which is plenty enough to see all the glory and detail that you might be showing yourself in whenever stepping in front of this. Now, let's see, anything interesting here to say? Not really anything that I'm finding that is very crucial for this. So yeah. Now let's see if I most likely need an account to set it up fully. Let's see, connecting. Hopefully I typed that in correctly. Oh, yep, I need to sign in. I love it. Smart device. Can't work without an account. Super. That seems very smart. So I'm not going to be setting it up. Screw the accounts. Now, I want to kind of talk about the design right here of this product because it looks a bit kind of yucky to me. As a device that has a gigantic display, this is an 8-inch display. The bezels on here are absolutely huge. Like, this is my finger. This is a second generation, and these bezels are absolutely humongous. I personally like to have something that looks a little bit more modern, with bezels that don't take about 30% of the entire real estate. So this just looks disgusting to me. And other than that, the design looks fine, I would say. Fabric, this is fabric, I want to point out. Not the biggest fan of anything fabric. If you ever had any kind of device that just kind of lays on anywhere for an extended period of time and has a fabric, you will realize that it just gets disgusting after some time, just dust settling on it, and it's hard to clean that off. So fabric is usually, at least for me, a no-go. So this using fabric, a bit of a yikes in my personal experience. Also, another thing, the device is black in color, but the cable is white. So not sure why. If you're gonna have it in like somewhere where it fits more, like a, I don't know, shelf, dark shelf, having a white cable around from there, just a little bit kind of, you know, gonna be visible. So not sure why I didn't go with the same kind of color of a cable as the device is, to be more fitting. And yeah, that's about it. A couple buttons and a microphone on the top right here. Talk about the build. So we have volume up, volume down, mics beside that, the physical kind of blocking for the camera, and a button to do something. It did something. Not sure what, to be completely honest. Anything on the side? Nope, nope, and nope. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.